Good day, folks. Today we're going to talk about what off-page optimization is. Off-page, even though a very broad topic, could be summed up as obtaining links from outside sources or sites, as well as generating social signals. It refers to all the possible measures that can be undertaken outside of the website in order to improve its online visibility and search rankings. Off-page actually involves the improvement of the perception such as authority, relevance, visibility, trustworthiness, and popularity of a given website by both users and search engines. A link is basically an upvote for the quality of your content, as long as the link source itself is from a good quality. However, any off-page campaign will not be successful as long as your on-page activities and content isn't up to search engine standards, by its structure, quality, loading time, and many other factors. For most, it could seem extremely simple, as the action of obtaining or creating a link sounds fairly straightforward. But in the reality, most small business owners do not have a full understanding on how complicated a backlink campaign truly is, and all the factors that you need to have a look at to strategize and obtain the right kind of links. Terms such as backlink anchor ratio, which includes branded domain keywords, naked URL, and other anchor text, as well as link velocity, link placement, link diversity, link and niche relevance, trust flow, domain and page authority score, and to finish nofollow and follow ratio. These are common metrics to understand and consider when strategizing around a backlinking campaign. There are also many different types of links, and the right timing of creating certain type of links is paramount. Your overall profile should have a mix or ratio of different types of links to appear natural. For example, if you are just getting started with your local SEO campaign, you should aim at obtaining links from local sources, business directory listing, and most importantly, social signals. When you have obtained such links, you can then start considering links from higher authority sources, such as press releases, guest posts through outreaching, article publishing sites, Q&A sites such as Quora and Reddit, as well as possibly benefit from techniques that we call in the industry broken links, infographic summation, forum comments, and many more. And again, quality of the source will always be more important than the number of sources. Backlinking is all about obtaining an authoritative, naturally looking profile. You could also consider paid links from high authority sources, but you need to be extremely careful when choosing them, as you could get penalized. As not every link is equal and have the same impact in Google's eyes, it is extremely important to know how to build links, as if it was naturally obtaining links. Google actually defines any link manually created as against the guidelines. It is then becoming obvious that a backlink campaign should aim at creating a naturally looking backlink profile. Creating too many links, for example, or from the wrong sources could get your site penalized and completely removed from a search engine index. This is why it is extremely important to know what you are doing when structuring your off-page strategy. If you are outsourcing it, you should know that there is a price to a successful qualitative campaign. If an agency is doing SEO activities for you, you are also in the right to ask for the links created and what the strategy is, to be able to monitor the quality of these links. And it will often really depend on your budget. If you have any more questions about what off-page optimization is, feel free to leave a comment below or give us a call at 1300-565610. That's 1300-565610.